morning and good afternoon, fellow crafters and ocean explorers. Welcome back to Curbside Crafting. This week we have been talking all about fantasy and fins, mythological creatures of the sea, and of course one of my favorites are mermaids. My necklace even says that I'm a mermaid. So you are going to make this adorable mermaid puppet. Yes, so lovely. So what you will get inside your goodie bag, you are going to find, of course, a brown lunch sack. You are going to find this piece of paper that is the template that has all of the different parts of your mermaid, and a piece of green cardstock. So here's what you're gonna do to put it all together. First, let's make her beautiful tail. So what I did is I just decided how much space I wanted her tail to take up, and I just put it like that on my paper and drew around. I just traced it so that I had the exact right size that I wanted, and then I glued it on, actually the bottom of the bag, and then I just drew on all the little fins, and then I cut out, tracing this piece right here, her tail on the cardstock. It's a little bit sturdier and it'll hold up much better. So then of course you've got the rest of her. You've got her shell bikini top, her nose, her eyes, and her hair. So you'll color all of that in, cut it out with your scissors, and then glue it on. And you wanna just make sure that when you're gluing her hair on, you only glue it to the top part of the bag and not the bottom. Otherwise, you won't be able to open it up and move her face. So she is quite lovely, and I can't wait to see how yours turn out. And of course, tell me what you name her. We'll see you next week here at the Maitland Public Library. Bye.